one of the things that I really hate about having a full fringe is that you have to cut it pretty often unless you want to get it in your eyes. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup tutorial right here, which is very pink as you can tell. It has a black eyeliner and then I added a pink eyeliner on top of it for a pop of color, and I put some white on the inner corner. Also there is some pink, light pink on the crease. I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, and then I added a hot pink underneath the eye, and I put a bright pink lipstick as you can see right here. Before starting this video I have to say two things. The first thing is that this intro has been recorded pretty recently, but the thing is that the video that you're going to see, the makeup tutorial, was recorded some time ago and I was never able to post the tutorial because of the things that I mentioned on the video that I posted before this one, which you can see by clicking on the notification over here if you haven't seen it. So I want to apologize if anything on the tutorial doesn't look as neat as it should be or something similar. Also remember that I'm not a makeup artist, so yeah. Anyways, despite of the tutorial being recorded some time ago, I think that it looks pretty decent. Although obviously it has some things that could be improved, but yeah, that happens with almost everything, I guess. And the second thing that I have to tell you is that the lipstick that I'm wearing is a dupe for the most gorgeous hot pink lipstick ever, which is Candy Yum Yum by MAC. So the lipstick I'm wearing is by Avon. It is the color Fearless Fuschia and it looks like this. Let me do a close-up for you. So this is what the lipstick looks like, and this is what it looks like when you put it on, and I did my research and it is a dupe. And this lipstick is obviously way cheaper than the one by MAC. I believe that's like €9 or something like that, which isn't something super cheap, but it isn't as expensive as the MAC one, obviously. Well, this is all I have to tell you for now. I hope that this intro wasn't too long or anything, so let's go with the tutorial. watching my video. Remember to give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also remember to leave your comments down below if there is something that you want to say about this tutorial, or if you have any question, any request, anything you wanna tell me down below. Also remember to subscribe to my channel if you wanna see more videos from me. And also remember to follow me on my social media for updates about my channel, my life, pictures, all that stuff. There is a link to all my social media in the description down below, so remember to check that out if you want to. And well, I will see you all in my next video, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!